Give your phone case a personality to match your own with these fun and easy projects. No matter which DIY option you choose, you'll need a case. Find one that fits your phone, along with other accessories at your local cellular sales. This first project is the most simple. You'll need a couple sheets of letter and number stickers. Use the stickers to spell out your initials, name, or a favorite quote on the back of your case. This one will take a little bit of planning and some geometric stud stick-ons. Map a shape or design that you like on your case and use the stick-ons to create it. For this DIY, grab several acrylic paints in the colors of your choice to drizzle and splatter across your case. Then set it aside to dry for a few hours. For this, you'll need some nail polish, a container of warm water, a toothpick, and some patience. Lightly pour nail polish into the water to make a colorful film on top. Swirl with a toothpick to create a pattern. Gently dip your case into the water, take it out, then let it dry for at least 8 hours. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more and share your phone case with us on social.